guys, welcome to our new video tutorial in Python. In today's video we are going to learn about Python variable in Python. What variable mean? Variable is a container that store a data value, or it's a name of storage that hold a value. We can call it an identifier that identify a values. We are going to start our video now. We are going to declare two variables. The first variable should be x and the second variable should be y. We are going to store multi different data type to it, different value data type to it. Let's do this. First thing, we are going to call x equals to uh, we declare a variable called x and the variable y declare the, let's say, hence. After that, we are going to print our variable, let's set x, and the second one, let's set y. Let's try running our program. Our program was successful. This is our answer. Mashallah. The second thing we are going to look to is how can we know which data type our variable store. For doing that, we are going to use a function called type. Let's come to here, let's say type, and give it here type, uh, and, and type, let's say, let's try running it and check which type of data type all our variables stores. Mashallah, everything done successful. It said our first characters, our first variable store in it, and the second variable store in a string. This is the end of our video. Our next video, we are going to learn a new thing in this channel. Please don't forget to subscribe our channel and like our video. Thank you.